Get richer renting out rooms. If you're looking for one of the fastest, simplest, and most predictable ways to increase your income, you don't have to start a business, gamble on the stock market, or take on complicated side hustles. You already have an asset capable of producing cash flow every single month, and you're probably standing inside it right now. Renting out a spare room in your home can be one of the easiest paths to building real, dependable wealth. Most homeowners don't realize that the unused space in their own house can function just like a mini real estate investment, without the massive startup costs, the big renovation budgets, or the risk of buying another property. With a single room, you can create an income stream that helps you get ahead financially instead of constantly playing catch-up. Renting a room can dramatically increase your monthly cash flow. Many people use the income to cover their mortgage payment, reduce their cost of living, or even eliminate their housing expenses entirely. Imagine living rent-free because your guest tenant covers most, or all, of what you owe each month. Suddenly, your home isn't just a place to live, it's a financial engine. But the benefits don't stop there. The extra income can also go straight toward building long-term wealth. You can use the money to save for emergencies, invest in stocks or real estate, or pay down high-interest debt faster than you ever thought possible. Every dollar you earn from your spare room puts you closer to financial freedom. And the beauty of this strategy is that once you set it up, the income becomes consistent, predictable, and often surprisingly easy to maintain. In many high-demand areas, renting a room can generate hundreds or even thousands of dollars per month. College towns, tourist hubs, major job markets, and growing suburban areas are especially profitable, but even quiet neighborhoods can produce impressive passive income. The demand for affordable, flexible housing is higher than it has ever been, and homeowners who offer clean, safe, private rooms are rewarded with steady, high-quality tenants who are happy to pay a premium for comfort and convenience. And don't think you need to be a landlord expert. Renting a room is one of the most beginner-friendly ways to enter the world of real estate income. You don't need multiple properties. You don't need large savings. You don't need complex contracts. Most of the time, all you need is a furnished room, a clear rental agreement, and the willingness to take advantage of an opportunity sitting right under your roof. Best of all, this strategy gives you control. You choose who you rent to. You set the house rules. You decide the terms. You determine the income. It's your home, your asset, and your financial future. If you're ready to earn more money, reduce your expenses, and turn your home into a profit-producing powerhouse, renting out a room is one of the smartest moves you can make. Your wealth can grow faster than you think, starting with just one spare room. Click on link above the subscribe button and get started today.